Continue fast. I think Aryan, unmute yourself and you read. Unmute yourself and read it.
Learning window. Necessity, compulsion. Must not, need not, don't have to, don't need to. We use must not must not must not when we want to say that something should not be done or that something is bad idea. Example, you must not drop these glasses, they will break. You must not forget my keys or I won't get in.
So
We
when we are
use need
using
not
Aryan,
when
wait.
something is
Aryan,
not
wait.
necessary. It often suggests the speaker's permission not to do something. Examples, you need wash those glasses, they are clean. There isn't much work today. You need not to stay till 7. We can use don't have to or don't need to when something is not necessary. The meaning is same as need not. You don't have to or you don't need to wash those glasses, they are clean. Shabana does not need to finish the report today. She can submit it on Friday.
So you can see, children, there are three models. You can see must not, need not, or don't have to, or don't need to. Okay, must not when we are using, when we are saying that something should not be done. Okay, and need not when something is not necessary. And in don't have to also, something is not necessary. But what is the difference between need not and something don't have to? That in need not we are having the speaker's permission when the speaker is saying, okay, that something is not necessary. And don't have to or doesn't have to means that something is not necessary. Merely it's something is not necessary, then you will not do that. In need not, speaker is telling you that I don't need not to help me. Okay, in this speaker is saying you something. Okay. Now we move on to the exercise part. Complete these sentences with must not or don't have to or don't need to or need not. You dash pay your phone bill every month. I have paid up for a year. Tell me, children. Here the speaker is saying, what will come here? You dash pay your phone bill every month. I have paid up for a year. What can come here? Tell me, children. Can you
Don't
guess?
have to pay.
Don't have to pay. Yes. Don't have to pay. Don't have to pay. Next one. Second one. You dash swim here. It is forbidden. Look at the sign. So it's complete obligation. What we are going to write? Tell me. You dash swim here. It's forbidden. Look at
You
the sign.
must not swim here.
Very good. You must not, because it's written here. Okay. When there is complete restriction, then we are using must not. You dash go to the store today. There is plenty of food in the refrigerator. Can you guess, children?
Next is don't need to.
Need not to. Need not to. Okay. Need not to. Need not. Next. Try the next one, children. Try the next one. At least try. If you will make mistake, it's okay to me, children. But you will try, you will learn more from your mistakes. We have plenty of time to complete the work. You dash rush through it.
Ma'am, you don't.
You don't have to. Very good. You don't have to. Next one. Next one, children. You dash walk alone in the street late at night. Shamita, it's risky. Tell me, children. Come on. Any guesses? What do you think is the most appropriate out of three?
Ma'am, you should not.
Should not is not there, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Then what can come here? Must not. Okay. because it is risky. Must not. Next, you dash switch off the phone here. Just turn it into the silent mode.
Don't have to.
Yes, don't have to. Absolutely correct. Don't have to. Next. Next, children. Those trousers still look clean. You dash wash them.
Ma'am, you don't wash.
Don't need to. Don't need to wash them. Okay. Next one. Next one is Raghav, you dash call him after 9 p.m. He doesn't like it.
Need not.
Here you are putting up some obligation. Must not. Okay. You must not. Next one. You dash pay for this service. This is free for our registered customers.
You don't have to.
You don't need to pay. Don't need to pay. Don't need to pay. Next one. Raima, you dash ring up Shilpa. I have already informed her in the morning. Come on, guesses. You
Don't need to.
need not. You need not. Now, suggestion, advice, duty, obligation, should or ought to. We use should and ought to make suggestion or to give an advice, to talk about duty and obligation, and to say what is the best thing or the right thing to do. There is no difference in the meaning. There is no difference in the meaning of the two, and often they can be used interchangeably. You're not very well, perhaps you should see a doctor. You're not very well, perhaps you ought to see a doctor. How much money should we carry with us to the fair? How much money ought we to carry with us to the fair? Should is not as strong as must and have to. You should wear a helmet while driving a two-wheeler. Here, it's the right thing to do. You must wear a helmet. It is necessary. Okay, so I advise you to do so. You ought to wear a helmet while driving a two-wheeler. That's the law. So there is a difference is clear to you. When you are using should, you are giving an advice. Must, you are telling a compulsion, and ought to, that it is the law that you have to do this. Okay. Ought to carries with a sense of moral obligation. When we are talking about moral obligation, we use ought to. Should we are using for advice. Ought to moral obligation. Ought to moral obligation. Moral obligation. Moral obligation. Moral obligation. Then must, compulsory. Must is compulsory. Should, ought to, or have plus past participle is used to mean was the right thing to do but wasn't done. Okay, I'm sorry I'm late for the rehearsal. I should have left my house early. Should have means you can do this thing but you have not done. Then we use should have. Okay, should have, could have. You're using this. Should have or could have, it means you have not done the thing but you should do it. Should have. When you have not done that thing. Okay. Plus verb third form. You should have played better. We use should when we want to suggest something. We use must when we want to insist that something should be done. We use ought to when we want to suggest that it is a moral obligation. We use should have that when we want to say that it was the right thing to do but wasn't done. Okay. Right thing to do but wasn't done. In short words, we can write right thing to do but wasn't done. thing to do, but wasn't done. To do, but wasn't done. But wasn't done. Next, I am putting on weight. Study these situations carefully. Offer suitable advice using should or ought to. One has been done for you. It means you have to give your advice. I am putting on weight. You should take regular exercise. So here there is a situation and you have to give the solution. Okay. I am putting on weight. You should take regular exercise. Dheer has been a borrower. He owes money to many. Tell me. Dheer has been a borrower. He owes money to many. Tell me, children, what you can say here. He should learn with his means. He should learn with his means. He should learn with his, whatever he is doing, he should learn from them. Okay. He should learn with his means. With his means. Next one. I have been offered my dream job. So what you can see here? I have offered my dream job. If I'll say you, I have offered my dream job, what suggestion you are going to give me? Tell me what suggestion you can give me. Can anyone try? I have offered a dream job. I have offered a dream job. Speak up, children. If you have offered your dream job, then what suggestion I will give you? Tell me, or you will give someone like your brother or sister have got their dream job. Then what you are going to say them? What they have to do? They should accept it or not? Tell me. If you have got a offer of your dream job, then what suggestion your parents will give you?
You should accept that job.
Yes, you should accept the offer at once. You should accept the job at once. You should accept the job at once. The job at once. Next, Sakshi has lost her passport. So what Sakshi has to do now? Tell me. Sakshi has lost her passport. What she has to do? She ought to apply for a new one. She ought to apply for a new one. Ought to apply for a new one. Next, ought to apply for a new one. Next, I have been having a lot of anxiety recently. If I'm having anxiety or fear, what should I do? Tell me what advice you can give me if I have anxiety. What you are going to give me the advice? What should I do? Tell me, children. No advice. Meanwhile, nowadays it is very common if we are having anxiety or fear, what we are going to do? You should try yoga and meditation. Okay? When we are having anxiety, fear, people are doing yoga and meditation so that they can come out from this. Paul leaves the light on all the time when he leaves his room. Leaves the light on. So what he should do? He always keeps the light on. What he should do? Tell me what advice you can give him. Question is clear to you, children? Paul always leaves the light on. Whenever he is leaving the room, lights and fans are on. What he should do? Tell me, children, what advice you can give him?
You should switch off the lights.
You should switch off the lights, or he ought to. He ought to switch off the lights. He ought to switch off the lights. You should be, you can write. Okay. He ought to switch off the lights. Next one. Tell me the next one, children. We cannot find this information in any book or magazine. We cannot find this information in any book or magazine. Tell me what you can write. We cannot find this information. Tell me, children. How can you complete this sentence?